Well, we need to place another couple of lines. If you look at the mud map, we've got a little part of the rear garden just trimmed off here at a rather strange angle. So what we now need to do is a couple more construction lines. I'm actually in the habit of right-clicking and going to properties, and I'm just in the habit, there's no particular reason for it, but I like my construction lines to be yellow. That just indicates to me that this is going to be a construction line. I'll now copy that construction line 5 meters in this direction. So I click it, right click, copy, pick up the midpoint, and tracking is on, so I can just slide out along here and lock onto 5 meters and right click to finish. Similarly, this line up here, right click, copy, lock onto the midpoint, and we need to come down here 5.5 meters. So 5 is there. Now we have this little line that we need to draw from one to the other, and that's going to be relatively easy to do. L4 line, find that point and go across to that point, and gee, I'm drawing on a layer 1. There's a trap for young players. I need to switch that back to there, and L4 line, do that again. The line is in on that other layer, but just for now I want it on layer 0. So we can now trim those non-existent bits of boundary. The boundary comes along here around the corner and up there, so it's modify, trim. Now this can be the cutting edge, and we can pick that one and that one and knock that off. So now we have the boundary. That line and that line can now be erased, and we're at the next stage of laying out our site.